Okay, here, then I will only split permission. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm gonna do double.